Hello traders, welcome to Forexlia. Alright, let's talk about one of the most powerful warning signal in trading, the evening doji star. It's a three candle pattern that basically screams danger ahead for an uptrend. So what is it and how does it actually work? I know what you are thinking. A star predicting a market fall sound a little bit like we're reading horoscopes, right? But trust me, this has nothing to do with the cosmos. It's all about reading market psychology. So, where did this cool name come from? Well, it actually comes from Japanese rice traders centuries ago. They saw it like this: a star appear in the evening, right? That means the day is over, and trading terms, the day is the big uptrend. So the star is a signal that the day is ending. It's a classic bearish reversal pattern, which is really just a fancy way of saying it's a huge clue that the buyers are running off the steam and the sellers are getting ready to take over. Okay, so if you want to be able to spot this thing in the wild, you've got to know what it looks like, its anatomy. It's always made up of three specific candles and each one tells a piece of the story. Let's break it down. The easiest way to look this into your brain is to think of it like a little story: day, star, and night. First, you have the bright day, then the evening star shows up, and finally, night falls. Simple, right? Let's see what each of these is mean for the market. Alright, candle number 1. This is the day. Think of a big, strong, green, bullish candle. This tells you the buyers, the bulls, are totally in charge. They're pushing that price up and up. Everything looks fantastic. The trade is strong. Life is good if you're a bull. But then something weird happens. The next candle, our second one, actually opened higher than the first one closed. We call this a gap up. It looked like a last final burst of excitement. Buyers are so pumped. They are just jumping in at a higher price. And this is a big but. This is where the story starts to take a turn. This second candle, this our star, and it's a special type of candle called a doji. You all notice it looks kind of like a plus sign or a cross. That because the price opened and closed at almost the exact same spot. Think about that. After all that excitement and that gap up, suddenly nothing. Buyers and sellers forget each other to a complete standstill. This is the moment of truth. The uptrend has officially stalled. It's for absolutely indecision. So after that moment of total indecision, we get another gap, but this time it's in the opposite direction. It's a gap down. The third candle opens below the doji. Oh, that's the first real red flag for the buyers. The tie has been broken. The settlement is over, and now you can feel the sellers starting to shove the price down, and they means business. And that brings us to the grand final, candle number 3, the night. This is a long, ugly red candle. It shows the sellers are now running the show, no question about it. And here's the kicker: it closes way down inside the body of the first green candle. It basically wipes out a huge chunk of those earlier gains. The power has officially shifted. Undeniable. Okay, so now you know what to look for. You can support the pattern. And this is super important. Just saying the pattern isn't enough. And evening doji star is only a really powerful signal. It shows up in the right place at the right time. So what's the right contest? Let's dig in. You've got two rules here, and they are absolutely non-negotiable. Rule number 1. The pattern has to appear after a real sustained uptrend. I means it's a reversal pattern, right? It needs a trend to reverse. And rule number 2, and you really have to pay attention to this one, you need confirmation from trading volume. So what's the deal with volume? It actually really simple. You just look at the volume for that third candle, the big red. You want to see that the volume on that day is significantly higher than the volume was on the first green candle. That's your proof. It tells you that the sellers are showing up with more power, more conviction than the buyers had. It's a big deal. Okay, we've covered a lot. We know how to support it. We know the context to look for. Now let's get to the fun part. How do you actually trade it? Let's walk through a simple 3-step playbook that you can use It's a really straightforward process. Step 1. Wait for confirmation. Step 2. Figure out your entry point. And step 3, which is maybe the most important, you always set a stop loss to protect yourself. Okay, listen up, because this is probably the most important rule of all. Do not jump the gun. Seriously, the pattern itself is just a warning sign. It's not the signal to act. The real signal, the confirmation, only comes when another candle closes below the low of that very first green candle in the pattern. That's when now the sellers have really won the fight and the downtrend is on. So once you get that confirmation candle, that's your green light, that's when you can enter a short position, you sell, and the very next thing you do immediately is place your stop loss. Where does it go? The most logical spot is just a little bit above the highest point of the whole pattern, which is going to be the top of that doji star. This is your safety net. If the pattern fails and the price goes back up, you're out with a small manageable loss. Okay, that was a ton of information. I know, so let's boil it all down into a quick final checklist. Think of this is as the absolute must follow rules for trading the evening doji star the right way. Let's run through it fast. 1. It has follow a strong uptrend. 2. The second candle has to be a small doji. 3. The third red candle needs bigger volume. 4. Never end, I means never trade without that confirmation candle closing below the low. 5. Always use a stop loss above the doji high. If you get all 5 of those, then you are putting the odds purely on your side. So there you have it. The evening star is this powerful warning that the day is ending on an uptrend. That night may be about to fail, but it makes you wonder, doesn't it? If this is the signal for nightfall, what's the signal for the sunrise? What pattern tells us that the downtrend is over and it's finally time to rise again? Now look at this chart. In this chart, after the evening doji star candlestick pattern, the fifth candle closes below the low of the first candle. So you have to sell here, and immediately after selling, place the stop loss above the high of the second candle, because placing stop loss is very important. After this, for profit booking, you have to see that until any signal appear on the chart that can change the market trend, you should not book profit. When you see any signal that can change the market trend, you should immediately book profit. So friends, today you have learned in detail about the evening doji star candlestick pattern. I hope you liked this information. Please like this video and subscribe Forexlia.